My dad is a very prominent person in the Hmong community, and so he always has people over all the time. And you can't come over, if you can't leave if you don't have dinner. I can make dinner so quick. If people just show up like that and meat is frozen, my dad taught me how to like do it quick. He says, you have to have rice, you have to have something that's like a soup, you have to have something that's stir fry. And so you can't just have like rice with this. You have to have rice with 2 other options.
Wow.
And
that's a lot of production.
Yeah, and to do it like that, and if people are like, no, I don't have time to stay. No, you're gonna stay and have dinner. Diane, how is it going? It's great, Dad. And if 20 people shows up, your goal is to never run out of food. You can't run out of food. And my dad always says, when we set the table, you don't ever put anything away until the guest leaves. Because if you start putting the dishes away,
it's a signal.
It's like, oh, we want you to go home. So
you didn't know you were being subliminally trained
Yep.
for the hospitality industry.
And so everything's coming to a circle.